Hey everybody, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Learn channel. As you know, I've already made a video about Drag X from Wupo company, pod mod system, but I'm using the Geek Vape Venex C1 pod system, which was very wonderful, but as any of the electronic smoking systems, they have a range of battery life and they begin to dispose, and we need to make a different choice to continue our vaping and not to smoke cigarettes. As you see, it works already, but it's the end of its lifetime. But today I'm going to show you how to unbox a Uwell KOKO Prime pod system, which is one of the best in the market nowadays. Its specifications is very wonderful. The pack includes one Caliburn KOKO Prime pod system, one 1.0 Caliburn G coil as pre-installed, and one extra 1.0 Caliburn G coil, and one Type-C charging cable, and one user manual, and one lanyard, which is very cute and wonderful. As you see here in the specifications, it's written down everything. And be careful about your coils which you are using with your any kind of salts. 1.0 and more than 1.0 coils are used for heavy nicotine consistent salt nicotines, and lower 1.0 is for lighter ones. Okay, we're going to open the pack. As you see, here has the Okay, this is a catalog of the KOKO Prime pod system. It's in several languages, and it says the battery is 690 milliampere hour capacity. You can see all the instructions how to install and use the KOKO Prime Caliburn system, and this is the warranty card, and these are the attentions and instructions. Well, here we have the cute KOKO system. As you see, here are the magnetic panels here. As you see, these are all magnetic, and you can change them as you want. This is the cartridge of the KOKO Prime system, but it's same as the Caliburn G system. there's no difference. Okay, let's see what else we have here in the packing. And this is very strong case that Caliburn company has been used. Here we have a one more coil. As they have written down on the packing, it should be 1O. Yes, this is about 1O, as you see. Well, this is the USB Type-C charging cable, as I've told you already. And here we have the band, but it's not made up of silicone. I thought it should be in silicone brand, as in the movies I have already seen. Well, in order to test the charging cable and also the process of charging of the pod system, I'm going to use a power supply and connect it. As you see here, the light indicator is turning on and off in green color. That means it's charging. Well, we're going to fulfill the juice tank from this silicone inlet, and because of it's the first time that we are using this coil, we need to fulfill it from this part a little bit to make the cotton wet enough. Several drops is enough for this, and you put and push, as you see. It's going to fulfill the pet. Okay, buddies, we have fulfilled it. Be sure that about a quarter of the pet is not filled, it's empty, to be sure that you will not have leak in your mouth, and the pressure is good enough to do the vaping process. So we put back the lip tip like this and put back the cartridge. As I told you, in order to use in MTL mode, you need to put the inlet of the air in the opposite side of the inlet air of the pod system body. This is the 1O Caliburn G coils. Be sure that you study the instructions. It will upgrade your knowledge about the vaping system and pod system, and these are in 4. You can use it when your own coil is done. Okay, after several minutes I will test the vaping of the Uwell KOKO Prime with Caliburn G cartridge and 1 ohm coil. And the salt is 20 milligrams per milliliter. Dinner lady, and the taste is cafe tobacco. Well, we've waited about 15 minutes. I have to tell you that the pre-installed coil has a little bit leakage. I've cleaned it. Sometimes we have leakage in the new installed coils or cartridge, but I'm not sure that it will do it again or not. As you see, a little bit of the salt nicotine is gone because of the leakage. Okay, we're gonna test the intake, and the airflow is in DTL mode nearby the air intake. One more time. It's enough cloud for me, but it depends on your own choice. And now I'm going to test it in MTL mode. It's a little bit less, but the density is more, the density of cloud. As you see. Okay buddies, as we had a little bit leakage in the first time of use of the KOKO Prime, be sure that there is no leakage here inside the pod system, because it doesn't have the fire button like this one that you can use it. Of course, in your pocket there is no risk of firing instantly to destroy your coil and your juice, but be sure that the intake sensor of the coil of the pod system is not fulfilled by the salt, nicotine or juice, because it will crash the pod system and you cannot use it anymore. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Please subscribe and share this video to your buddies and friends. Put some comments under the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.